Hello, my YouTube family. Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon from wherever you are. I welcome you once again to my channel. This is Susan. I'm so grateful for everyone who has subscribed, watched, liked, and even commented on my videos. Thank you very much. It's this strength that you show me by commenting, subscribing, and liking that keeps me going. Thank you very much. Please keep the fire burning. This evening, I'm going to talk about something very simple, and that is why would one opt for nursing? Being that nursing is my first medical course that I did, though I did some other courses, I would try to really encourage very many people who would like or who have the zeal of joining nursing to please go ahead and do so, because it's a career that you'll never regret. I want to just show you a few of the benefits of doing nursing. First, with nursing, you have very many job opportunities. I want to just show you I'll just tell you only 13 places where a nurse can be employed. 13 areas where a nurse can be employed. This is really a very big job market. So anyone who wants to do nursing, please take the step, go and try it out. If you have the qualifications, like if you did the sciences, that's a good start. If you have the passion, if you're really ready to, nurses, we call it's like a noble call. Yeah, so sometimes you may have to work night shift, sometimes you may have to work beyond your expected schedule, but that's like it's a calling. So if anyone out there really wants to go for nursing, I'd really give you a go ahead. Please, it's a very good field that has a very wide market, especially in these days, whereby we see that lots of issues are coming in with health. So you'll see that nursing is on great demand. So I would advise parents out there, if you have a child, please, you can advise him or her to do nursing. It's a very good course. If you also did your given course earlier on and you want to do like nursing as a top-up course or something, you want to change career, it's very fine, you can still do it. So you can just check out and see if you have the if you're eligible for it, then you can go for it. Once you see that you're eligible for it, you can go for it. Others may say, oh really, I'm not eligible, but you can still be an AD, a nursing AD. If you really have the passion for nursing, you can be a nursing AD. So I'll show you the places where nurses can be employed, and you'll see how wide the market for nursing is. One is a hospital. You've seen nurses in hospital. 2, clinics or medical centers. Pharmacies, right? Not very many pharmacies employ nurses, but in some countries, nurses work in pharmacies as well. I've ever worked in a pharmacy when I was still in Uganda. I've ever worked in a pharmacy. So pharmacies for some countries, but not all. We have home care. You can work in a home care. There are home care companies and there are home care facilities. A facility is generally housing people who need home care services, so they stay there as their home. And then services, there are companies which have home care nurses. You can just go, you ask for home care nurse, you sign the contract, something of the kind. So home care. You can also work in companies. Some companies, like constructing companies, they need nurses. Even other companies, if it's a large company, of course they need nurses, in that any accident can occur at any one time, and a nurse is supposed to be around to give first aid. Actually, others even go ahead to have a company doctor as well. So you can see all these opportunities. Schools, from kindergarten to universities, people have nurses. So there are already school nurses available. Travel nurses. If you check out with some, there is travel nurse as a specialty in nursing, whereby you just move around with patients. Let me say you have to transfer patients from one country to another to get better medical services. Then you can be that kind of a nurse who moves with the patient, because let me say the patient is in the plane, she or he will need someone to take care of his medical needs. Some nurses move on ships, like such things. So you can be a travel nurse. There is also a nurse tutor. You can be a lecturer or a tutor and you're teaching nursing students. So that's also another job opportunity. You can also be a trainer. There are nurses who are trainers, like they help people through trainings like BLS, first aid, and other things. So that's also another opportunity. You may say, I'm done with nursing as in hospital setting. I want to do it in another level by being a trainer. You can also be a dental assistant. I've put this out of clinic or hospital because some dental centers are really big that they are giving services of like luxurious services. Someone doesn't know that she's having pain but wants to change his or her maybe wants to put braces, something like that. Like it's more when it's more of luxurious. And so that's why I put dental nurses as, I mean, dental assistants as not under hospital. I just put them under that, but it can still be under hospital. Then we also have counselors. You can be a counselor, nurse counselor. I did counseling and guidance when I was still pursuing my nursing course. So there are people who are specifically doing the nursing, I mean the counseling, when that is your role. You took on such a job for counseling because there are people who really need counseling. We have community nurses. So you can be a community nurse. These nurses go around teaching the community about prevention of diseases, management, and such things. So you can see that's also another opportunity. Beauty clinics. We have beauty clinics. These are springing up so much these days. So people love to have that youthful look. They want to look so nice. They want perfect skin, hair fillers, Botox, laser, soft light, all these. So you can also be a nurse working in a beauty clinic. So all these are just 13 examples I've given of areas where a nurse can work. So my friend, if you're out there and you want to go for nursing, it's not too late, my dear. Right